Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do a little DIY video about how you can make your own necklaces and earrings just at home. You can make ones that look like the ones on Shop Tunnel Vision or Cyberspace Shop or just like famous sites where they just sell random necklaces. Like, I forget what it's called, but it's like Shop Del Monte or something, but I see a lot of necklaces and earrings from there that you can make at home. But yeah, today we're just gonna be making some necklaces together. I want to show you some earrings that I've made myself. So I actually made these really pretty butterfly earrings that you can see right here. They're just like super dangly and cute. And then they have the hook with the little O-ring. And I've also made these cross hoops that I wear a lot. And these are one of my favorite pairs of earrings that I wear at least twice a week, and they are just little star hoops. And I actually put these iGirl hoops together myself. I bought the iGirl like hook earrings, and I decided I wanted them in hoops instead, so I just grabbed some hoops and made iGirl hoops with my iGirl dangly earrings, and these are the ones I wear the most. And last but not least, I made these hook earrings, and they just have like this cool little like clock design with Roman numerals on them. Those are just like a sample of the earrings I made myself, and I'll be showing you how to make earrings exactly like those ones in this video. And I'll also be showing you how to make necklaces and chokers like the same way. So yeah, stay tuned to see how to make those cute as shit earrings. First off, what you need is a little tool like this. Like these are like the same but just bigger and smaller. But you can use these to curl like the metal. I'll show you in a little bit. And then you're going to need these little circle things that you can use to like connect the charm to the necklace or the charm to the earring hook. They look like these little circle things. Then you're gonna need some earring hooks like these ones that have the little circle at the end so you can connect them. Come in little baggies. For earrings you can also use hoops, which is actually kind of easier to use than the hook ones, but I don't know, it's just up to your preference. And then next you're gonna need some charms to add onto the earring. I have cross charms, cute little moon ones, and a bunch of cute little cherry charms. So first you're gonna want to grab 2 earring hooks for the earrings, and then you're gonna want to grab the charm that you want to add to it. Next, you're gonna want to grab your little rings, and you're gonna want to choose the size of the ring you want. It goes from big to small, and then there's also like hooks for the ends. I'm gonna choose just the small ones because these are tiny little dangly earrings, and then just 2 of those. Now you're gonna want to grab these tiny little circle things and then open them up with your little pliers. So now you can see that this ring is open. Then you're gonna want to add it to the charm, like so. And then you're gonna want to add the hook to the end of the charm. And you're just gonna want to close it, just push it together, and that's your finished earring. And I'm just gonna repeat this again and then show you guys the finished product. And here's the 2 finished cross earrings that I just made. Okay, so next I'm gonna show you how to make it with the hoop earrings. Alright, so first off you're just gonna need a pair of hoops. Second off, you're gonna need some earring charms. And then third off, you're gonna need these rings again. So now I'm gonna open the little ring again, close the O-ring, and then just open your hoop, stick the little circle onto here, and then close it. And here you have a finished hoop earring that you can wear every day. These are actually identical to the ones I wear every day because I made those earrings myself. And yeah, these are just like super good quality and they're like really cute with any outfit. And these are the finished pair of moon star hoop earrings. So next I'm gonna do some gold hoops because I don't think I have any of those that I really wear, and I kind of wanted to make some for myself. So I'm gonna make some gold hoops with these moon ones. So you're gonna need your charms, your hoops, your circle things, and your pliers. So I'm just gonna want to open up the O-ring again, connect the charm to the O-ring, close off the O-ring like so, put the charm into the little hoop hole, and there's your pair of gold moon hoops. And here is the finished pair of the golden moon hoops. They're super cute. So next I'm gonna make some cherry hoops, which will be available on my Depop at Julia866, and I'll probably also be keeping a pair for myself, but I do have a lot of gold hoops that I haven't used, and I have a lot of cherry charms, so I will be making a lot of cherry hoops. If you are really into this and you don't want to make it yourself, you can just search my Depop at Julia866. And here is the finished pair of cherry hoops. But next, I'm going to show you guys how to make a necklace. I'm going to be making a dagger necklace because someone actually just purchased a dagger necklace off my Depop, so I'm going to be making that right now for you guys. But this is the last dagger necklace I have, so you can't really purchase this anymore. But I do have dagger hoops that are available. So this time you're gonna need a necklace. I would recommend one that's sterling silver or one that doesn't tarnish. And then you're gonna need your charm, which in my case is a dagger. Then again, you're gonna need another O-ring. So again, you're gonna need to open the O-ring, stick the charm in the O-ring, and then close that baby up. But now that your O-ring is closed, you're gonna want to just grab the necklace, put it through the O-ring, and close it. This is your finished dagger necklace. So last but not least, I'm going to be making a necklace with a thicker black cord in case anyone wanted to know how to make one of those. So I'm having a hard time choosing between this rock, this pink monkey that says I'm listening impaired, a cute little butterfly, a pink flower, or an airplane. I don't really know what to do. Okay, so now I'm kind of choosing between the flower and the monkey. I really don't know which one to do because they're both super cute. Okay, so I decided to do the flower because the monkey was actually damaged and I didn't really notice. And this would be like super cute together, right? So you're gonna need your charm, your necklace, and you're gonna need your O-ring again. So you're gonna want to open the O-ring again, put it on the flower or your charm, and then close it. Put your charm through your necklace hole, and then close it. And here is the finished black choker necklace. Alright, so I think that's all I have to show you guys today. I hoped you liked my video and you learned something new. If you like my content, you can like, subscribe, comment, and let me know in the comments what you'd actually like to see in the future, because I know a lot about jewelry, clothes, Depop, like you name it, thrifting. Just ask me and I'll probably do a video on it. So yeah, thank you for watching and tune in next time. Bye!